I'm Judy.
And Hannah.
Today we're going to make some Disney princess necklaces.
And I'm wearing Tiana.
Yes, they are princesses.
I'm wearing Tiana.
On the box, do you want to open first? It's on the box. It says warning, choking hazard, not for children under 3 years.
They can't eat the bees.
Yeah, they might eat the bees. They are small, so be careful. And do you want to take a look at it? Let's see what's in there. Let's open. Let's open. Let's open. Oh, I like this. This has its own case. I love it.
And look, this shows the castle over here.
Oh, yes. And let's see.
Oh.
How many princesses, Hannah?
5.
5. Do you want to introduce?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see Snow White.
Snow White.
Tiana.
Tiana.
Cinderella. Belle.
Belle.
And Ariel.
Ariel. Hannah, who is your favorite?
Tiana, Belle, and Ariel.
Oh, you like 3 of them. Oh. My favorite is Ariel. She's very cute. And I love her song.
And she wants to take the voice back.
You're right. You are
Tiana.
Tiana. Do you want to show? Yes.
But this is not.
Yeah, you're just like Tiana.
Now look.
Right. And there are
Some
5 different colors of beads.
You can choose any color.
That's true.
Every
And
single
also
There's
flower.
and a flower and heart.
Oh, different shapes too. And there are rubber string.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
And I like this too because you don't have to tie up. You can just pull and push.
Look.
And then you make a necklace.
There's different kind of beads over here.
I think this is like 15 inches. Hannah, do you want to make some?
Yeah. I want to make Ariel.
Okay. And what color?
Pink.
Okay. Then I will make some purple. Push in like this. Hi.
Yeah.
And Tehan decided to join us. So enjoy. Okay. So are you done?
Yeah. Done.
Yeah, we all made 5 princesses. So look at this.
I made Ariel
Yeah,
and Tiana.
I made Cinderella and Belle. What about you, Dan?
I made Snow White.
Hannah, do you want to put it on? Which
Tiana.
one? Okay.
Because I'm Tiana.
Okay. Ooh, look at that. So pretty, isn't it? Do you like it? So do you guys like this necklace thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this product because first I mentioned it has its own case, and these characters are pretty good. I think it's actually easy to see, and also it's easy to take off and put it back, so you can reuse it. You just pull them out and then put new beads or new character, and you reuse them. And also this is reasonable price. I think it's not too expensive, and you can enjoy every day. And also I think you can teach your kids about colors and different shapes. It's educational, right? So if you are interested in this product, I leave a link in the description. You can check it out. And I hope you enjoyed our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!